Hello everyone. So I'm in the back-end system. Developer let me in, but I told him like it's been an ongoing 3 months with the guy, and now the guy decides he has time after I told him I sent out a post for other individuals, and now he's saying that because they're taking on more work, he's changing the price to like 1,800, $2,000, and that's a little more than what I'm wanting to spend for the system. So, give you guys a rundown of what it looks like. Well, actually, we should have started there. Here you have the ability to add inventory. I do like this. You have a standard dashboard. I assume this is working like a CRM system in a way, and I prefer this to be a little bit better, honestly, because lead subject, contact seller. It's a little plain. Leads. I'd like to know where the lead's coming from. Of course, select who's fulfilling the lead. This is just kind of generic here, so of course this can be done a lot better. Credit apps, of course, that's going to be needed because dealerships use this. Ability to add testimonials, I assume this is. I'm not too sure. Profile, I'm assuming this is to make it for your own agent or the dealership's agents. Again, users who you're adding in. Okay, so I guess this is for building the site for a dealer. I'm not too sure. Let's see here. Well, whatever. Publishing tools. This is ideal. I want everything to be able to integrate with Facebook. Anytime, post to the website, post to Facebook. That's ideal. I also, let's see, reports. Actually, oh yeah, what is this? Yeah, this is ideal too. This is good. But let's see, back to publishing tools. I want this to have more than just 2 places they can post. Of course, when you look at their site, autodrivenmarketing.com, I want to have all these integrations. Anywhere where we can have a free integration, I want it set on that site. Paid can be an option, but just they're on standby for if that's what the client wants and they pay extra for it. And of course, Google Analytics, it's just going to take me to the page, but I'd rather have everything unified in a dashboard. So this is just basically, I guess, what the dealer would see of the site. But, like I showed in a original video, I'm looking for sites like I'm looking for something like this. This is ideal for some dealer sites in the auto industry. And then for RV, I'm looking for something like this here. So this is something you think you can do. And again, I'm sending this to everyone who's replied through Upwork, Facebook, wherever. Please let me know. let me know the price. I want a fixed price. I need to get this done as soon as possible. And after that, we can start working towards other themes. But first, these are the first two themes I need within that rate. Doesn't have to be exactly like the site, just has to work like the site, if you understand what I mean. And if not, you can always ask questions. I will be adding 12 more dealers within the next coming months, and all of them will need different things. So, of course, I'll pay you a little extra on that. But whoever I choose is someone I will be working with long term. So, thank you for watching, and look forward to hearing back from everyone.